Before we begin, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Governor, Ramon Monmon B. Guico III, whose unwavering commitment to grassroots sports continues to inspire our athletes and strengthen volleyball across the province. Through this vision and support, our local talents are given the opportunity to compete, grow, and proudly represent their respective municipalities. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing.
Stay with us because in just a few moments, magsisimula na po ang laro. Bolinao versus Alaminos City. First serve, jersey number 7, Kalisaan.
Good serve. Estayo sa middle. Pushes that one. Lalas gets the first point in this opening match. Estayo. Good serve. Kalisaan. Goes to Morga. Ginawa ng paraan. Estayo sa opposite. Kalisaan was there but couldn't handle that strong attack by jersey number 2.
Still
Estayo.
serving Estayo. Tinaas, free ball for Alaminos. Estayo sets it to Javilio. Official score 3-0.
Estayo.
Service ace for jersey number 4.
Estayo. Straight to the net. Point for Team Bolinao.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 14, Kaakubay.
Good serve. Estayo. Goes to Ocado. Free ball.
Estayo sets it to Ocado. Andun si Kaakbay. Free ball, but outside. Another point for Team Alaminos City.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 6, Lalas. Good serve. Kalisaan. Free ball. Estayo. Tokokado. Andun si Kalisaan but couldn't handle that one.
Score po natin ay 6-1. Lalas. Kalisaan to the open. Self-cover to the middle. Andun si Kalisaan. Morga will send it over. Estayo to Havilio. Finds zone 1.
What a powerful attack coming from jersey number 3, Habilio. That will lead a 6-point lead for Team Alaminos. Lala still serving. And that sails out for jersey number 6, Lalas.
7-2 po ang ating official score.
Bokol. That service will go straight through the net. Point for Team Alaminos. Now on the service zone, jersey number 3, Habilio. Good serve. Kalisaan. Doug. Tugo.
Donio Libero, free ball for Alaminos. Estayo. Free ball. Kalisaan, sinet sa open, but too long for Paltep.
Habilio. Good service. Kalisaan goes to Morga. Cross court attack. Doug. Estayo. To Ocado. Morga was there. Kalisaan. Morga pushes that one. Kalisaan gets that ball. Free ball for the Team Alaminos. Estayo to the middle.
Point for Ancheta. Official score 10-2. Early timeout here for Team Bolinao. Habang tayo partner, nasa timeout, banggitin natin yung mga programa ng ating mahal na gobernador. Umpisahan natin yan sa health. Mahalagang maging healthy ang bawat Pangasinense.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Dahil para kay Governor Guico, mahalagang maging healthy ang bawat Pangasinense at alam ba ninyo na ang Pangasinan ng kauna-unahang probinsya sa buong Pilipinas na nagpapatupad ng free hospitalization sa lahat ng 14 provincial government hospitals. Isang malaking tulong ito para sa ating mga kababayan.
Tutuloy po natin yung tungkol sa health maya-maya lamang po para sa mga anunsyo ng Gui Consulta. Balik po muna tayo dito sa ating laro. Bolinao versus Alaminos.
Habilio, good service.
Cruz, tinaas para kay Paltep. Estayo sets it to go. And walang tao doon sa zone 6. Another point for Team Alaminos. Our official score is 11-2. 9-point lead po ng Team Alaminos City.
Habilio on the serve. Kalisaan. To Paltep. Cross court attack. Doug. Estayo hinabol ang bola. Go, ginawa ng paraan. Kalisaan to Morga. And that will be a point for jersey number 1, Morga.
I think, partner, that's the first attack point for Team Bolinao.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
Estayo to go. Andun si Kaakbay. Cruz was set it to the open and dalang tao doon sa zone 5.
Nabubuhayan na ng loob ang Team Bolinao, partner. Umaangat na ang score nila. Still serving jersey number 1, Morga. Good serve. Estayo to Ocado. Powerful attack there for jersey number 2.
Score po
Ocado.
natin, 12-4. Free ball for Team Alaminos to Ancheta. Another point for Alaminos City.
Official score 13, serving 4.
Substitution for Bolinao. Morga out, Gonzaga in.
Ocado. That will go straight to the net. Point for Team Bolinao. Official score now is 5 serving 13. Paltep on the service zone. Good serve. Estayo. Tugo. Pushes that one. Kalisaan. To Kaakbay. Caberto couldn't handle that attack coming from jersey number 14, Kaakbay. Paltep. Estayo.
Backsets to Acheta and then si Kalisaan. Error for Team Bolinao.
Ancheta on the serve. Kalisaan to the middle. Good attack. Estayo 1-2 play. That will work for jersey number 4, Estayo.
Misreceived. Itinaas kay Kaakbay. Too long for her. Too much unforced error here sa side ng Team Bolinao.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ancheta still serving. Gonzaga misreceives that one.
Service ace for jersey number 11.
Ancheta. Kalisaan. Kaakbay. One hand set to go. And that will work for jersey number 14. Go.
Great play there on the part of Team Alaminos City.
Kalisaan. To the middle.
Gets
Carranza.
through the block. Wow.
Carranza. Estayo 1-2 attack. That will work again for jersey number 4.
Hindi pa nababantayan ng Team Bolinao ang mga 1-2 plays ni Estayo.
Masyadong maganda ang decision making ni jersey number 4. At nahahanapan ng mga butas ng Team Bolinao. Bukol for the point. Kalisaan. Good serve.
Lalas. Andun si Kalisaan. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. Estayo will set it to Havilio. Andun si Kaakbay. Free ball again for Team Alaminos. I saw that, partner. Wow! Tinignan niya muna yung court nitong kabilang team. Lahat sila nakaatras. So,
Tama ka dyan, partner. Naghahanap talaga ng butas itong si jersey number 4. Good service from style. Cruz. Gonzaga gives that
100%
free ball.
efficiency for Estayo for that 1-2 play. And then si Gonzaga, but error. Still serving Estayo. Service ace for Estayo.
Gusto nang tapusin kaagad ni jersey number 4 ang larong ito. Good serve again. Kalisaan, hinabol ang bola. Free ball. Estayo, kanino niya ibibigay? Habilio, block, but it is outside. Still a point for Team Alaminos.
23-8.
Estayo.
Service error for jersey number 4. Tuwang-tuwa ang players ng Team Bolinao.
Kaakbay on the serve. Good serve.
And a service ace for Kaakbay.
Tuwang-tuwa ang bench players ng Team Bolinao sa point na iyon. Kaakbay serving. Good serve. And that is a service ace once again for Team Bolinao. Courtesy of jersey number 14, Kaakbay. (11 serving 23). Kaakbay. Oh,
Not this time. It goes out.
good intention. Partner na ilagay niya sa dulo ang bola na iyon.
Too much muscle though.
Trixie Lalas on the serve.
Service error then for Lalas. Now serving Bukol. Short serve. Service ace for jersey number 11.
Mahabol pa ang Team Bolinao. Ayaw pa nila itong matapos sa ganitong score. Still serving. Bokol.
And Havilio ends this set. 25-13. Partner, habang nagpapahinga ang ating mga teams, no, na maghahanda sila for second set, ituloy natin yung tungkol sa health. Hindi lang tungkol dun sa free hospitalization, no, patuloy ring umiikot sa iba't ibang bayan ang GWI Konsulta, isang one-stop government service na hatid mismo sa mga barangay.
Dito, libre ang medical consultation, may libreng gamot, veterinary services para sa ating mga alagang hayop, employment assistance, pamimigay ng seedlings at asin, at mayroon na ring libreng legal aid sa pagtulungan ng IBP Pangasinan Chapter.
Alam mo ba, partner, na nag-umpisa na rito sa Alaminos City ang GWI Konsulta at magpapatuloy pa ito sa July 27 sa Barangay Santa Maria at susunod na rin ang Barangay Amanjego, Barangay Bisocol, Barangay Quebuar at Barangay Alos.
Nabanggit mo partner na patungkol sa Guy Consulta, bibisita rin ito sa bayan ng Bolinao sa July 27 sa Barangay Luna at Barangay Kulang.
Sa mga susunod na araw naman sa Barangay Samang Sur, San Roque, Samang Norte, Lambas at Kabuyaw. Mangyari lamang po na bisitahin ang Bolinao Community Hospital para sa mga schedule ng mga nasabing barangay.
Kaya mga kabalian, inaanyayahan namin ang lahat ng residente ng mga nabanggit na barangay na samantalahin ang pagkakataong ito upang makapagpakonsulta at makapag-enroll sa mga programang pangkalusugan ng PhilHealth.
Serbisyong pangkalusugan inilipat sa inyong komunidad. Sama-sama nating isulong ang mas malusog at mas maunlad na Pangasinan. Para naman po dito sa Alaminos City, mangyari lamang po na bisitahin ang Western Pangasinan District Hospital page para sa mga schedule ng mga nasabing barangay kanina. Pero teka lang partner, ano-ano nga ba ang kailangan dalhin ng ating mga kabalayan?
Ito ang mga kailangang dalhin nila partner. Para sa mga 18 years old and above ay national ID at 3 photocopy ng kahit anong valid ID government issued with 3 specimen signatures. Para naman po sa 16 years old to 17 years old, kinakailangan kasama ang inyong mga gulang, national ID, 3 photocopy ng kahit anong valid ID government issued ID with 3 specimen signatures at 2 photocopy of guardians of any valid government issued ID.
Dahil sa mga programang ito, kinilala rin ang Pangasinan sa Gawad Kalusugan 2025 kung saan tumanggap ang ating lalawigan ng 5 Palbayani Awards na inorganisa ng Department of Health Ilocos Center for Health Development sa San Fernando City, La Union. Nakilala ang ating probinsya para sa mahusay na pagpapatupad ng universal healthcare.
Meron na rin tayong mga libreng dialysis centers sa iba't ibang bahagi ng lalawigan katulad na lamang sa Alaminos City, Provincial Hospital sa San Carlos City, Ordaneta District Hospital at Lingayen District Hospital, pati libreng MRI, CT scan, X-ray, ultrasound at maging mga gamot sa Pangasinan Provincial Hospital.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang taglay na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan.
Pangasinan ang galing!
Balik po tayo dito sa ating second set ng ating first game, Bolinao versus Alaminos City. Nanalo po kanina ang Team Alaminos City ng first set.
Tama ka dyan partner, ang score ay 25-13. Alaminos for the first serve. Kalisaan, Gonzaga. Drop ball shot. Marie. Tohabilio. Dog.
Good ball. Marie will set it to the middle, blocked, self-cover. Error there for Havilio. First point for Team Bolinao. Service ace for Kalisaan. May cheer ngayon ang Team Bolinao, partner. Unlike kanina nung first set, medyo tahimik sila. So I think kailangan nilang maging consistent, no? Just like that. Yung kanilang cheer. If they wanna extend this into a third set.
Tama ka dyan partner. Ini-enjoy nila itong game na ito. Kalisaan still serving. That will go straight out. Point for Team Alaminos. Jersey number 12, Marie, on the serve.
Too much muscle on that serve.
Gonzaga, good service. Good ball.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 1, Imbo. Kalisaan sets it to the open and a campfire for Alaminos City.
That attack coming from jersey number 6.
Good serve. Ancheta. Kalisaan, sinet sa middle, but free ball for Alaminos City. Marie will set it to Avilio. Good ball. Ancheta. Outside, no check ball there on the part of Team Bolinao. So another point. Official score is 6-2.
Happy na ang Team Bolinao, partner. Di na sila nakasimangot.
Yes,
Caranza on the serve.
exactly. Marie to Avilio. Good stop there. Serving, Avilio. Good serve. Kalisaan, sinet kay Bukol. Blocked. Point for Ancheta.
One man block there by jersey number 11, partner. Habilio.
Free ball. Marie, sinet sa opposite drop ball. Kalisaan, sets it to Kaakbay, but too long for jersey number 14.
Good intention for Kaakbay, but too long on that one. Habilio still serving. Kalisaan.
Error for jersey number 11. Just like that, we are now tied at 6. Still serving, Avilio. Free ball for Alaminos City. Marie sets it to Ancheta. Andun yung libero. Bukol want to play. Ancheta to the open, but error for jersey number 10.
Kaakbay. Good serve. Ancheta. And that will work for jersey number 11. Ancheta. Good service. Kalisaan. Free ball. Marie to Ison. Kalisaan. To Paltep. Dog. Ancheta. Alaminos will gives a free ball. Kalisaan to Bocol. Marie to Ison. And that will sails outside. Point for Team Bolinao.
Substitution for Team Alaminos City. Ranches in. Ancheta out. Para po sa ating mga live viewers, ang live coverage po ng Central at Western Conference ay dito po sa page Governor Ramon V. Gico III Governor's Cup. And para naman po sa Eastern Conference, i-search nyo lamang po sa Facebook page ang Ramon V. Gico III Volleyball Intertown Tournament.
Long rally alert. And Gonzaga ends that rally.
Great rally there.
Paltep on the serve. Good service. Marie. Tuison, but block.
Substitution again here for Alaminos City. Marie out, Estayo in.
Paltep, good serve. Estayo, back set to Ancheta. That will work for Team Alaminos.
Mapa-middle or opposite, gumagawa pa rin ng puntos si Ancheta.
Tama ka dyan, si jersey number 11. Kalisaan, 1-2 play. Nasundot doon. That will work for jersey number 7, Kalisaan. And now on the service zone, jersey number 11. Good serve. Estayo, 1-2 play. Nahuli. Free ball. Estayo, 1-2 play again.
But she will be called lifting violation. Sorry.
Good intention there, partner, kasi na scrappy defense pa ang Tumbulinaw.
Yes.
Still serving jersey number 11, Bocol.
Imbo, drop ball. Doug Gonzaga, but hindi po tatawid ang bola. So, point for Team Alaminos City.
Official score po natin is 9-12. Lamang po ng 3 ang Team Bulinaw. Now on the deck to serve, jersey number 10, Ison.
Free ball for Team Alaminos. Estayo, 1-2 play. Wow. Hindi ko na mabilang, partner, kung ilan na yung puntos niya doon sa 1-2 play niya.
Ison.
Good reception. Kalisaan sets it to the middle. Andun si Ranches. Estayo to Havilio. What a powerful attack.
Ison still serving.
Carranza will send it over. Estayo to the open. Deflected. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Off speed. Works for jersey number 12.
Nautakan ang depensa ng Team Alaminos sa ginawang atake ni jersey number 12, Gonzaga. Kalisaan on the serve. Good service. Estayo. Havilio. Andun si Gonzaga. Gonzaga powers that down. Point for Team Bulinaw. Kalisaan.
Imbo will set it to the open. Free ball. One hand set. Estayo to Havilio, but straight to the net. And a timeout for Team Alaminos City. Tapos na tayo, partner, dito sa health. Dito naman tayo sa infrastructure. Kung develop naman ang pag-uusapan, tuloy-tuloy rin ang pagbabago sa Capitol Complex.
Kasalukuyan po itinatayo ang 11-story Pangasinan Government Tower na magsisilbing tahanan ng iba't ibang provincial at national government offices.
Kasabay rin ito ang construction ng Pangasinan Convention Center, ang reflective pool at dancing fountain, pati ang pagpapaganda ng Pangasinan Tourist Area.
Layunin nitong mas makilala ang Pangasinan bilang Conference Capital of the North at Tourism Capital of the North.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan,
Pangasinan, ang galing. Kalisaan.
And service ace for Kalisaan. Wow, Team Bolinao is on a roll here, partner. Received by Ison. Free ball for Bolinao. Kalisaan set kay Kaakbay. Blocked by Havilio. Ranches out, Ancheta in for Alaminos City.
Estayo.
Service ace for jersey number 4.
Sabi ni Estayo, ako naman para sa service ace na yan, partner.
Palitan ng service ace dito ng mga setter. Good serve. Kalisaan backs it to Gonzaga. She's enjoying it.
Yes, partner. Powerful attack coming from jersey number 12, Gonzaga. Now she's on the service zone for Team Bolinao. Official score 17, serving 13.
Estayo sets to the middle. Imbo. Kalisaan sinet sa open but too wide for jersey number 6.
Imbo still serving. Good serve.
Kalisaan backs it to Kaakbay. Free ball. Estayo sinet kay Ancheta. Kalisaan to Paltep and gets through the block. Point for Team Bolinao. Our official score is 18-15 in favor of Bolinao.
Carranza.
Service error for jersey number 2.
Habilio. Good service. Kalisaan.
Miscommunication there on the side of Team Bolinao. 1 point lead na lang ang Team Bolinao.
Habilio.
Error for jersey number 7 and Bolinao will call for time. Okay, tapos na tayo sa infrastructure and health. Dito naman tayo sa employment. Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa trabaho.
Sa pamamagitan ng Provincial Employment and Services Office, regular ang local recruitment activities at job fairs para sa ating mga kababayan.
Alam mo ba, partner, meron ding free training. Jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey ang Provincial Employment and Services Office para sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs sa July 27, Lunes, simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Gaganapin ito sa Peso Multipurpose Hall, Capitol Complex, Lingayen. Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. Free ball for Team Bolinao. Kalisaan sets it to Bukol. And point for jersey number 11. Good time out there on the side of Team Bolinao. Good response by the captain.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kaakbay.
Ancheta will send it over. Kalisaan to Paltep. Andon si Javilio. Estayo to Ancheta. Kalisaan to Bukol. Drop ball. Ison. And point for jersey number 10.
Second deadlock here. At set number 2, Ancheta on the serve. Gonzaga was there. Kalisaan. Attack error for Team Bolinao. Point for Team Alaminos. Lamang na po ng isa ang Team Alaminos. Kalisaan. Tubokol. Estaya for the free ball. Kalisaan.
Free ball. Estayo. Kalisaan. Want to play. Estayo will attack again, but Doug to the open. Good ball. We have a rally here. Ison. And that is outside.
Too strong on that one.
Deadlock again deadlock again at 20. Sorry.
Third deadlock, partner.
Yes, substitution on the part of Team Alaminos City is on out. Go in.
Jersey number 6, Paltep serving. Good serve. Free ball para sa Team Bolinao. Kalisaan. Gonzaga. Dog.
Saved. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Self-cover. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. Estayo will set it to Ancheta. Andun yung libero. Free ball for Alaminos City. Estayo want to play. Another point for jersey number 4.
Grabe ang mga hulog plays neto ni Estayo, partner.
Yes. I think nasa 7 points or 8 points na yung kanyang want to play.
Tsaka service ace, partner.
Yes. Doon sa 7 points na yun, hindi pa kasama yung service ace niya.
Attacking setter talaga siya, partner.
Yes, actually. Estayo will send it over. Kalisaan sets it to Gonzaga! Wow! Sobrang bilis nun.
I am too stunned to speak on that attack.
Deadlock again at 21. Bukol. Received. Estayo set it to Imbo. Blocked. Estayo to Javilio. Kalisaan to Gonzaga with the help of the net. Back-to-back points there for Gonzaga. Still serving. Bukol. Estayo back from the pipe. Kalisaan, free ball. Imbo will set it to Estayo. Drop ball works for Estayo.
Ako ang rumeceive, ako ang papalo, sabi ni Estayo doon, partner.
Yes, wow.
And that will convert to a point for Team Alaminos. Deadlock at 22. On the service zone, go. Good serve. Kalisaan, 1-2 play. Estayo to Habilio, drop ball shot. Kalisaan, Gonzaga, block. Point for Team Alaminos. Lamang po ulit ng isa ang Team Alaminos.
Go. Too long. And guess what? We are tied again at 23. Palitan lang tayo ng puntos sa end nitong second set.
Tama ka, partner. Now on the service zone, jersey number 7. Kalisaan.
Estayo to
Habilio.
Habilio.
Dog. Gonzaga, off-speed attack, works. Habilio again, dog. And partner, palakasan ng atake. Itong dalawang to, si Habilio at saka si Gonzaga.
Parang hiningal dun si Habilio, partner.
Tama ka, partner.
Nasa match point na po tayo, but service error for the captain. We are going to an extended set.
Jersey number 12 serving. Gonzaga, safe serve.
Over received. Estayo sets it to Habilio. Doug. Saved!
Still
wow!
And Habilio. Ayoko na. Gusto ko nang matapos to. Sabi niya siguro, partner.
Yes! Hindi tinigilan ni Estayo ibigay kay Habilio.
Tawa ka dyan, partner.
Match point number 2.
Imbo. Kalisaan.
Doon si Go. Estayo kneeling set to Ancheta. Andun si Gonzaga. Paltep. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. Estayo. Binigay kay Ancheta. Andun si Gonzaga. Long rally. Free ball again for Team Alaminos City. Estayo to Habilio. But Habilio straight to the net.
And guess what, partner? All 25.
Wow, what a set! Serving jersey number 2.
Carranza on the serve. Good service. Estayo. To Habilio in the middle.
Binasag yung block ng Bulinaw.
Itong si Habilio, partner, mapa-middle attack or mapa-open attack. Pupuntos at pupuntos, partner. Now she's on the
Right.
service zone para sa match point. Good serve. Paltep. Free ball para sa team. And that will end our game. 27 to 25. Team Alaminos
Congratulations.
wins.
What a set. Hindi bumitaw kaagad ang Team Bulinaw, giving Alaminos City a good game.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
Congratulations to both teams. And maya-maya lamang po malalaman natin kung sino ang player of the game. But, partner, meron ka na bang nasa isip kung sino ang player of the game?
It's either Estayo or Habilio, partner. Kasi maganda din ang output ni Habilio, partner. With
Yes.
her powerful attacks.
Good distribution of points din.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
Maya-maya lamang po malalaman natin ang ating player of the game.
For our player of the game with 11 points, 10 attacks and 1 block, player jersey number 3 from Alameda City, Jose Havidio.
Pang ilang player of the game mo na to? Sir, anong score ni Jose?
Yung points niya,
Ay, points
ilan
niya
ang
pala.
points niya? Ay, yung points niya. Morning, Ann.
Opo. Hindi, mamaya po siya. Bukas po.
11 points. 10 attack, 1 block. Pwede lugan na mo eh.
Commute.
Ay, tutuputan ta. Sabi,
Anong oras po kayo umalis, sir?
Our player of the game is with our courtside reporter, Miss Marnie Ann Fabito.
What a game to start our morning, Pangasinan. Solid performance ang pinakita ng both teams, but only one team had to take the win. So congratulations to City of Alaminos for having another win. And today kasama natin ang best player of the game from the winning team, Havilio, having 11 points, jersey number G, at ngayon 5-0 na kayo. And also, pangatlong player of the game mo na to. How does it feel na ikaw na naman ang nag-dominate on your match today?
Syempre po, masaya po, pero para sa akin po, hindi naman po talaga ito yung goal. Ang goal ko po talaga is makakontribute sa team, tas yun po, manalo po. Ginagawa ko lang po yung part ko po ng maayos po.
Napakaganda ng mindset ni jersey number 3. Lastly, sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan na fans ninyo na gumising ng maaga para lang isupport kayo on our live stream?
Syempre po, parents ko po, hindi po sila nakanood dito kasi graduation po ng kapatid ko. Congrats ate, and shoutout din po sa team namin. And Mayor, inaantay pa din po namin yung sapatos po. At thank you po sa mga nanood. Shoutout na din po sa Team Bolina po. Ang ganda po ng pinakita po nilang.
And again, congratulations for winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. Pangasinenses, just stay here in our live stream dahil up next, our game 2. This is Marnie Ann Fabito, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.